Why is delta V crucial for astronaut crew capsule piloting? Have you ever wondered how astronauts manage to navigate the vastness of space? One key factor in their piloting skills is something called delta V. Delta V means change in velocity, and it plays a vital role in piloting a crew capsule during space missions. Understanding delta V is essential for astronauts because it directly impacts how much fuel their spacecraft needs and how missions are planned and executed. At its core, delta V measures how much a spacecraft must speed up, slow down, or change direction. Every maneuver in space requires a specific delta V budget. For instance, to launch from Earth and enter orbit, a crew capsule must gain enough velocity to overcome Earth's gravity. Later, when it needs to dock with a space station or return to Earth, the capsule must adjust its velocity precisely. If the capsule does not have enough delta V, it cannot complete these critical maneuvers safely. During astronaut training, delta V is a key concept that they learn to monitor and manage. Astronauts spend a lot of time on simulators that replicate the precise velocity changes required for different mission phases. They practice controlling the spacecraft's thrusters to achieve the necessary delta V for maneuvers like orbit raising, rendezvous with other spacecraft, or controlled descent. This training helps them understand fuel limitations and the timing of engine firings to conserve propellant while ensuring mission success. In practical terms, delta V influences the design of the crew capsule and its propulsion system. Engineers calculate the total delta V needed for the entire mission and design fuel tanks and engines accordingly. Astronauts must be aware of these limits during flight operations to avoid running out of fuel, which could jeopardize the mission and the safety of the crew. Mission planners also use delta V calculations to optimize trajectories. They sometimes employ techniques like gravity assists to reduce the required velocity changes and save fuel. Astronauts are trained to understand these trajectory plans and how their piloting inputs affect delta V consumption. Delta V is a critical measure that defines the velocity changes needed for all spacecraft maneuvers. For astronauts piloting a crew capsule, mastering delta V management through training and understanding mission profiles is essential. This knowledge allows them to perform safe launches, orbital operations, and landings while staying within the fuel and design limits of their spacecraft.